last Christmas, I gave you my
Come here.
heart.
Want to say hi to everybody? Hi, YouTube. I'm Sebastian. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Janet. Thanks so much for stopping by. Today what I'm going to share is decorating my mantles. I moved into my house about a year and a half ago almost now, and we did not have a mantle because I didn't like any in the showroom. A couple of weekends ago, my husband and my in-laws built a mantle. I'm so excited. I'll insert some of like the footage and pictures here for you, but it was a total DIY project because all the ones we wanted to buy were like $700 or $800 or even more expensive. So they built one and I think it was like $200 that was spent. So today I get to decorate it, which I'm super excited about. I bought a few things to decorate. I have sort of an idea of what I want to do, but not really. So I want to put some garland and lights and stuff that I already have as well. I have done some Christmas decor shopping. I'll link my 2 haul videos. A lot of the stuff might be from the... Oh, I got a new puppy and I haven't introduced him here on YouTube yet. Hi, Bobby. But this is Sebastian. He's probably like 12 weeks now or something. And he's the cutest, most not behaved baby ever. He is like terrible, but look at this. This is my life. Like, he eats my hair, my shoes, and he just loves to play, but he's just a puppy, so yeah. Okay, back to decorating. So I'm gonna start decorating. I'm gonna show you a couple things I did buy recently. I'm not sure what I'm gonna use, but I usually end up doing is buying more stuff than I need or a couple of versions of something, and then I see what I like better and decorate, and then whatever I don't use I have to end up taking back. I feel like that works for me. It is a lot of work, but it's like better than just going back and forth, which I end up going like back, then forth and back. I don't know. It's still a lot of work. The first thing I bought was this like really long garland. It's from Michael's, and everything was super on sale at Michael's. This one was only $20, but like 50% off. And it is 9 feet. So I am not sure because I ended up buying another one, but I wanted to use this garland. And then I also bought these battery operated lights at, I think these are from Home Depot. I didn't want to have like wires hanging off my mantle. I just think the wires look tacky personally. So I bought this one. It uses like AA batteries, I think. So this is option 1. Then Sean and I were at Target and we found another option, so I got this. So whichever one works better I'll end up using. But this is a pre-lit battery operated garland. It's also 9 foot. So that's this one. It does have 34 LED lights, an automatic timer, which I like the timer. So I try to get all my automatic like little battery operated lights with timers. Sorry about that, the dogs are barking. Because I don't want to like have to go turn them on. So they usually turn on about 6 to 8 hours every night and then turn themselves off, which is like a lifesaver. So I totally recommend when you get battery operated lights to get them with timers. To match the tree and the actual fireplace, and I'll show you kind of like where we're starting in a second. I got some picks to work with. So here's one of them. And I really like this like birch wood look. I have some of these logs like displayed on the side of my fireplace that I picked up at Crate & Barrel. So I thought this would be like nice to put inside the garland. My Christmas tree, which you can kind of see behind me, is like fir and rose gold and gold, kind of like some mixed metals. So I picked up this like kind of, I guess it's like a garland. There's like a garland has like a really general name, but it's this like garland to weave into like the green garland, and it has crystals and little gold balls. I think it'll like tie everything in together, hopefully. But yeah, this is it. Everything else that you'll see in the video is pretty much old, I think. except for some trees that I picked up in my Target haul, which I'll link below for you. But let's go ahead and get started and decorate. This is all the stuff laid out right in front of the fireplace and mantle. So I'm gonna just try to figure out what I want to use. I did start just putting stuff up there kind of like as maybes, and those are the trees that I was talking about that are from Target that are new. I shared them in my haul, but I love that they're like white and gold as well. And then I have a bunch of like ornaments over here that I'll put into those lanterns with little lights and stuff like that. And back there are my stockings and more stuff that's possible, and my nutcrackers. So I'm gonna go ahead and start decorating.
Don't want a lot for Christmas. There's just one thing
Here's the finished product. It's actually pretty basic looking. I really didn't go crazy, but let me show you guys what I ended up doing. I used the garland that I had to put the lights in, those little lights with timers. I like that one better, and I put this reindeer that I had last year from Lowe's. And then I have these little houses and this sign. My dog is barking. And these trees here, and here are the lanterns. I'm about to light the fireplace so I can show you guys what it looks like at night, but I'm not sure if the stockings will catch fire, so we'll have to see about that. But I'm about to light it and take. This is how it looks with the fireplace lit. I feel like having the fireplace on and the stockings hanging could be a fire hazard, so I'll probably remove the stockings while the fireplace is lit. But for the sake of the video, I wanted to leave them up for you guys to see the full effect. But I really love the way it turned out. Last year I did not have a mantle, so I'm super excited to have one this year. Thanks so much for watching this video, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye!